Have you been feeling stuck? Like, as in, things are really hard and I'm not quite sure what to do. And I feel like I'm not moving forward with anything. Well, if that's you, regardless of your age, because I am here to tell you that it just happens periodically in life. Sorry to break the bad news, but it does. But I do have good news, and that is I am hosting a live interactive workshop for Christian women who want to grow deeper in their relationship with God. And maybe you are a person that you've not been real sure how to hear from God. Don't worry, I'm going to cover that. And we're going to learn how to partner with God so that when we work on our goals, we know that this is something that aligns with God and He's going to help us. We're also going to establish a 90-day plan. Basically, yeah, it's one quarter. So as we end and wrap up this year, we are going to lay out a 90-day plan and learn how to get things done as we learn to co-labor with God. So if you're interested in that, I encourage you to register with the link below and join us on September 20th. Hope to see you there.